Hey traders, John Howell here. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, it's going to be a short little mindset technique or mindset strategy to help you with your trading moving forward this week. Now, let's get straight into it right now. One thing I want to teach you guys, and one thing I want to encourage you guys, is I want you to, a few things I want you to do this week moving forward. Firstly, what I want you to do is this, all right? Now, firstly, one, do you actually have a system? Do you have a system in place, or are you just trading whenever you think is a good idea? If you're just trading whenever you think is a good idea, well, don't do that, all right? Don't do that. Make sure that you're trading a system. Make sure you're trading a system that you know that works. The key to getting ahead in the market is trading something that you know that works, and you're trading the exact same thing every single time. Right now, I get like a 90% win-loss ratio on my trading. And the reason why, because I have the exact same setup. I have the exact same entry bar. I have the exact same pattern. I have the exact same setup every single time. Makes sense? So it's the exact same setup every time I'm looking at the markets. That's how you get ahead in the markets. Or are you just getting in when you think it's a good idea? If you're getting in when you think it's a good idea, then what's going to happen is you're likely to fail in the markets and keep going down and down and down. Your confidence is going to go down, and everything's just going to go down from there. So only trade with something that you 100% know inside your soul, you know by doing the work, that's going to get ahead. And number two, only take those trades. Only take those 100% yes trades. 100% yes trades. How do you think Warren Buffett and all these other really big investors in the markets actually get ahead? Do you think they get ahead in the markets by taking something that they don't think is that they're not sure about, or they think is a good idea? No. What do? They find something that they research and like, yes, this is it. And what do? They go all in, right? Warren Buffett. Now, I know it's a Warren Buffett example, right? He's a billionaire, right? But what about you? What about you? If you have a $5,000 trading account, why don't you put, 20, 30, 40% of that on one trade? Why don't you do that? Or even 10 or 20% of that in one trade. Why don't you do that? Because you're not confident of the outcome. Why aren't you? Because you're trading a system you don't really know that works. Make sense? See, with me, I'm happy putting on 20% or more of my entire account on one trade. Why? Because most of my trades work out. 90% of my trades work out. And guess what? When 90% of your trades work out, and you can have a really good percentage of those wins running for a really good profit, and when you do get a stop loss or you get a loss, the losses are much smaller than the average profit. It's game over. Makes sense? So the only way to get into the markets is one, trading system that you know that works, and secondly, wait for those 100% yes trades. When you wait for those 100% yes trades, there's no doubt about that, you're happy to put on a bit more risk on your on your account, because you know if you took that every single time, most of those trades are going to work out, and that's how you start to get that exponential growth. I see so many people. I see my mentor turn $5,000 in the 3 moon. How did he do it? He started trading 20 and 30% of his account on every single one trade, and boom, before you know it, he started making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000% return on his account per year. How? Because he just waited and waited and waited. He said the key to success is waiting and waiting and waiting till he gets that 100% yes trade. And when he gets that, he's all in on the market. So there's your little thing there, guys. One, trade a system that you know that works. If you don't, that's where you need to be going back to. Don't be trading the markets live. Don't be getting in the markets when you think something's a good idea. Don't be getting in the markets when you think, because someone else said, this is a good idea, or someone else said so and so and so forth. You're going off what some other people said. No, that's not long-term successful. Maybe short-term. Maybe you might buy Bitcoin because someone else said so and it keeps going up, right? But that's not long-term successful. And secondly, only wait for those 100% yes trades. Those 100% yes trades is basically all about saying, you know what? Inside your soul, 100% yes, this is the trade I need to take, and most of the time they're going to work out.